Another TikTok video downloader, pretty much show you guys how to use this application here, like a pro. Stay tuned. Here, this is pretty much the old screen of the application, and this application does have good amount of ads, so keep that in mind. However, you don't get any subscription to remove the ads on it. So all you have to do is just go on TikTok, copy just on the three dots. Once you press on the dot, you may see a couple links or the share button icon and stuff on that, and you'll be seeing the link of the video. Once you pretty much copy the link of the video, you can tap on paste link, or you can tap on this at the top here and paste it yourself. Either one works for you. So once you have done that, you pretty much will be able to download that video without even a watermark on it. So it's very, very simple to use, very easy to use, very straightforward, and nothing hard for you to not understand. So as I can see here, the trending section, nothing won't load. So yeah, that's just it. Very simple. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll see you in the next one.